All right, WMC, this is the video to find our freebie mini helmet winner. We have 55 entries. So we'll check the time April 17th at 4:35 p.m. I'm going to go over to the freebie and type live. We have April 17th at 4:35 p.m. There is the list of our 55 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. 6 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Ryan Ziegler is our winner. So Ryan, you will have a mini helmet coming. There is our verification code. Our timestamp once again, April 17th, 4:36 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.